Hey guys, I guess welcome to another video, if we're even recording. Yes, we are. Okay, but today, we are playing, a sequel of, well, not really a sequel, it's the second game. Well, this is the second game of Flood Escape. Same creator, but just it's the group. And Jamie, what happened? And guys, as you can see below, I played this game a bit. You might want to come back. And guys, we're sorry we couldn't make a lot of videos for you guys. Yeah. But this is the same animation as 112. If you go check in Roblox. The crap is happening right there. Dude, who is talking to you? Okay, let's just wait here so then we don't have to, wait like later. And all of the things that you guys might want or whatever is here. You can search up. You can go follow them. I'm not trying to advertise. I'm just trying to support them because they're making awesome games like these. And, yeah. So, yeah. I guess we'll just wait. Won't very take long. Let's spectate while we do it. I think this dude's gonna be good. Oh, he's level 1. Okay, let's see who can. Okay, no, that's a level 1. I want to see how like a higher level does it. So okay, so first time I played, we kind of like, so we had to get that button first. Oh my God, bad choice, bruh. Bad choice, bruh. Okay. Yo, Ben, why'd you jump down there? Okay, over here, dude. Get up here. Guys, get the frick up here. Oh, know what? I'm going to leave you guys. Bye. Okay. I'm going to die. Guys, you guys are going to drown. Hurry up. Jump to go higher. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Am I the only one alive? Oh, please don't tell me. Oh, come on. I gotta get this. I'm dead. I'm not dead yet. I will avenge you guys. Oh, shoot. That's acid. Okay, I can make it. I believe in myself. Nope, I died. I failed. Guys, I failed you guys. What? You guys are already in there? There. Oh, hi, Jimmy. You died? Well, you died right away? Hey, dude. You know how I'm doing this? Wom. It's magic. It's magically delicious. So go in first person. And then go in here while you're doing it. Boom. That's how you're gonna do it. Boom. Walking. We're moonwalking, guys. Guys, just look. I look so weird when I do this. Bum. Ooh. There's 6 players. Okay, Ben, I believe in you. You know what? I'm going to watch you. Watch you play this. I believe in you. Whoa, bro. You did it, bro. You did it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, first button is up here. How are we going to get up here? Oh, I see. No, no, no. I quit. I quit. Oh, I see. You know what? Let's just wait for them to do the work. Oh, no what? No what? I'll just do it. Boom. Boom. Oh, come on. Really? Jimmy, you can do it. You can do it, bro. You can do it. I died. Everyone died. Everyone died. Yep. Everyone died. Oh, get in. Wait, were you? Oh, I thought you guys were the first 2 players to get in there. Miss Cat. Oh my gosh, you're making it. Wait, what? You can lock the lift into the insane? Okay, emo key. Left shift. Okay, close. Guys, I don't think this is copyright music, but I'm just gonna lower it just in case. Well, Ben, do you have anything to say? Yeah, it's acid. I played it for the first time and it's like so weird, but I never knew it could turn into lava. Oh my gosh, yeah, she died. Ooh, I'm in.
I'm gonna watch you guys.
Wait, for real? Yo, wait, dude, how are we gonna make it? Oh, okay, Ben, jump down. Okay. Oh my gosh, why does people wait? Why you people so lazy? Oh, come on, I can't even do that parkour. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, we already got it. Oh my god. Okay, do. Ben, over here. Oh my gosh. I'm panicking. I don't want to die. No, you're kidding me, right? Oh my god. You're kidding me. No, what? No fair. I glitched. What the frick? I'm alive, guys. Oh, never mind. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. It was insane. Why did that person... Dude, somebody made it insane. Okay, I got in. Me and Ben got in. Okay, Ben, I'm gonna get this button first, and then... We're getting buttons. Oh god. Dive.
Wait, how do you start life?
Okay, I need to dive. Okay, guys, go. Go. I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead. I feel... Why is it... Wait, how do you change it? Somebody freaking... Oh my gosh, I hate this. Dude, somebody made it so that it's insane. Dude, they're trolling us. Dude, they're trolling us. Dude, somebody locked it in insane. So it's always gonna be insane. What the frick? Why?
Did someone hack this game?
No.
Because I'm not so much.
No, it's because of the insane like the maps from the insane is like loads up huge things. So guys, go down. Swim. Boom 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 boom. Guys, go down. Get out. Okay, guys, I'm alive. Guys, I'm alive. I'm dead. Guys, wait, how is Ben still alive? Ben's still alive? Wait, how the crap, Ben? How are you still alive, dude? Okay. Dude, get in, guys. Guys, get in. Oh, come on. Who? Oh, yeah, there's a guest who looks like Builderman?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it does. Well, I think that's something new. I don't know. Or it's probably something in the game creator changed. So then it looks like Builderman instead of the normal one. Pokemon Love 44. Dude, his name is Pokemon Love 44. Oh my god. That girl just left him. I feel bad for Pokemon Love now. Well, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Yeah, he's totally dead. My gosh. How's he still alive? Never mind. She's still alive, bruh.
Oh, she's still alive. She's a pro.
Dude, she's only level 1. Don't think she's a pro.
How is she making it?
Dude, then she probably has a lot. She probably played Flood Escape a lot.
Like 3 hours.
Maybe for 10 weeks.
1,000 years.
Oh my gosh, she did it. Wait, how? What? It was just taking a long time to load a second ago. Oh, I know this map from scratch to top. Not really. I know where some of the buttons are located. Ben, get the button, bro. Why didn't you get the button, bro? Oh wow, I nearly died. Go, get in, peeps. Boop, boop, boop,
You're gonna
boop,
parkour,
boop.
okay? No, I'm not a good parkour, but I'm still alive.
Yeah. Okay.
You go.
Yo, bro, hurry up. The acid. It's coming up, bro.
Daddy, is this my first time winning?
Yeah, I think so, bro. I never won, but I got XP from it. Dude, we made it. Yo, we made it, bro. We made it. Ben, you can make it, bro. I believe in you. I believe in you, Ben. I believe in you. Ben, I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Ben, I believe. Yeah. And yeah, I believe. I believe in all of you. Okay, we go down here to get that button. I'm gonna let that dude do it first, so then we can do it. Get up, bros. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Oh, wait, I'm gonna get. Yeah, Jimmy, get the button, bro. Oh, never mind. That girl got it. Okay, we need somebody to get. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Guys, don't leave me. Okay. Boop. Okay. Let's go. Ben. You won't. I believe in you. Ooh. Got it. Yo, you. I believe in you. Get up, bro. Get up. Okay. Jimmy, you can make it. I believe in you.
I'm making before. Wait, where's the play we need? There's another button activated.
I'm getting the button. Getting the button.
That was close for me dying.
Yeah, I know. Let's run. Holy crap. No, you're kidding me, right? At least we were close. I'm level 2 now, guys.
I didn't win.
It's okay. Guys, if you guys want this to be a series, we're try and break the views of 15 or 5. And we'll make this a series of us just playing this.
If you have bad comments, we're not going to answer them.
Yeah, we're not going to answer them. We're going to make one all together when we're like...
Lollipop.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah, there's a dude named Lolly.
This dude, I got a friend that only accept rich people.
Oh, my God.
Only and one girl.
Whoa, bro! Wait, what? Ben left?
No, Ben left he doesn't want to play, so that's why he left.
He didn't leave, dude.
No, he didn't leave the game, but he didn't want to play.
No, he probably accidentally. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get that button. Get that button, bro. Jump down, dude. Dude, jump down. You know what? I'll take the risk. Jimmy, you can make it, bro. You can do it. Make it, bro. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I just realized that. Wait, you're alive?
No, yeah, but I died right now. Danny, avenge me.
I will avenge you, bro.
Didn't want to play the map, so.
No, it's pretty easy once you get to know where to go and stuff. It's probably because he died the last time we did this. Yes, wow, dude, it's so easy.
Hey, you're touching
Bum. Wait, how did we? Oh yeah, we got up here. Oh, what the frick? What? Yeah, Ben's in the game. Yeah, I know. I see him because. You know how? Because he was waiting, and then oh shoot! No, I'm dead. Ben.
That what happened to me.
Ben, I just want you to know this. Avenge us! Nope, you didn't. Okay, sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Yo, Ben, why aren't you talking in the chat? Oh.
What's in the cave? Cry.
Yo, Ben. Dude, I thought, dude, I really thought you were actually gonna win.
It's not the same one
Because, you were actually the one who got the buttons instead of us. We were like cowards, just like, where'd it go?
I actually got some buttons, okay?
Yeah, I know. That was the last round. Yes, we're in, bros. We're in. Are we in? Are you guys loading?
Yeah. Huh?
No, Ben's not in. No! Ben just said in chat, no. Dude, get up. We have to avenge him. We have to avenge this dude. Jimmy, it looks like you're gonna have to avenge me. Okay, I got up. Never mind. Let's go. Gotta go fast, Dude, it's acid right now. Jimmy! Bum. I really need to do this. Yo. No!
Did you avenge me?
No, I was touching the ladder. I'm so sad. What? Oh no! Know what, Ben? I'm gonna watch you avenge us. Ben. I watch you avenge us.
Have you run in the game?
I believe in you, Ben. I believe.
You have to avenge us, Ben.
You have to, dude. You have to. Win it for us, dude. Win it for us, dude. Oh my gosh. Go. I believe in you, Ben. Ben, make it. Make it for the rest of us.
Yes, make it for everyone.
I believe in you, Ben.
Make it for us.
Ben, I believe. I believe you can poop the sky. I'm just kidding, guys. I believe you can avenge us in your rightful honor. Dude, he avenged us. Let's go. Oh, this one's so easy, guys. We just have to get the button. I'm going to try and go as fast as I can. Ready, Jimmy? Okay, you go on that side. I go this side. You go on that side, dude. And never mind. I got this, guys. Come on, hurry up, bro. Dude, don't jump it. Ben has to get the button so then I can climb up it. Go, guys. Oh, guys, I made it. I freaking made it.
By the last jack?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Are we supposed to do that?
Wait, yeah. Okay, I'll get this button. Jimmy, press it. Jimmy, go press it. Ben, I believe in you. You can do this. Come on, Ben. Yes, Ben, you made it. Jimmy, no. Oh my gosh. OMG, bros. Okay. We just have to make past this level, and then we'll win. Guys, we're gonna win. Ben, if you lose now, I will cry in my bed. I will cry in my sleep. Guys, we made it. Guys, we made it.
We're dying.
We survived. Bum. Okay, guys, go this way. Okay. I played this map. There's one part where you might die if you're too slow. Yeah, that's all you need to know, I guess. This way and this way. That'll make it. Now go face the wall and go to the left. That's how you do it. That's how you just do it.
Oh, that was close.
You know what? I'll just swim there.
Me too.
We have to watch out for your air. Oh my gosh, bro! I made it. Get up here. Boop. Bro. Oh shiz. Yo, Jimmy, you can make it, bro. I believe in you. Shoot. I'll make it. I'll do it. I'll avenge myself, guys. Never mind.
I'm dead too.
We're all dead.
Go in here.
Okay.
Where's Ben? He's doing the game. Where's Ben? He's still alive.
Wait, what? For real, bro?
Wait, he's doing a different game.
Guys, we will be ending this video shortly. So Ben, might as well just die now so then we can end the video.
See my face reveal. You see my face reveal soon.
Yeah, soon, very soon. Okay, yo Jimmy, get right next to me, cause you know what I'm talking about.
You see my face 2 times, Shadow Gaming and Kitten Gaming.
Yeah. So we'll put the Shadow Gaming in the description, and yeah. So Jimmy, get over here, bruh. Yo, Jimmy, you see me, right? You see me in Roblox, right?
Yeah, but I'm in the game.
Wait, you are? Oh shoot.
I'm in with Ben.
You know what? We'll have one more round, and yeah, okay. Yo, Jimmy, I believe in you. I believe. Jimmy, get that button over there, bro. Yes. Now jump down. Wait for it. Go now. Okay, Ben, get up there. Jimmy, get where that button will be. See that white that other button? No, you see that ladder? Go for that. Actually, wait, no. Go for the one that's gonna be waiting. There. Yeah, now. Yeah, boy.
Okay, I'm gonna take. Okay, who's gonna take it?
Yeah.
Then take the other one.
Okay, yep, yeah, like that, yep. Okay, you can make it. You made it, bro. Dude, you passed. You passed the test. You passed the ultimate test.
That's glitchy. I'm off.
Yeah, like I'm lagging a bit. Okay. Ooh, I haven't seen this map before. Looks pretty hard. Wow, just died. No, I died, guys. Avenge me.
No.
You know what? We'll have one more round for you guys.
I'm done. Level up. Level up.
Yeah. Actually, might as well end the video now. Ben, just die for us, so then we can just end the video with you guys. With y'all.
Guys, please, I'm gonna stand in the first place.
No, I will. Once we're doing challenges, we'll be standing on these plugs.
Yes, I'll be in second place.
So, if you guys don't know what a challenge is, it's on my channel called Shadow of Luck Gaming. I'll put it in the description. We do challenges of this, and
You said you was Shadow Gaming.
yeah, this is for cousin gaming, and this and then I'll put the Shadow Gaming in the description. And yeah, so guys, I hope you guys like this video. Smash that subscribe button, and as always, cousins out. Boop. Sorry guys, sorry about that, but Ben might as well say hi to them in the chat, and Jimmy, you can say bye to them too. So Ben might as well say bye to them. Okay, never mind, but see you guys. Bye. Whoop.